Hi, and welcome to 2235 Sylvan Avenue, located here in Grand Rapids. This property is located within walking distance of Grand Rapids Christian and Ottawa Hills High School. It is also located within a quick drive to 28th Street and Easttown. Let's go check it out. This property has been remodeled from the bottom up. Right off of the main entrance, we have an open concept living room, dining room, and kitchen experience. This kitchen features all brand new stainless steel appliances and soft closed drawers, along with a beautiful view to the backyard and deck. Right off of the open kitchen and dining room experience, we have a cozy family room and a remodeled half bath for all of your entertainment needs. This property boasts a fully finished basement with a cozy lounge room and a full bed and bath, along with a updated laundry room. Upstairs, you'll find a common space with continuing hardwood floors, 4 large bedrooms, and 1 full remodeled bath, all featuring the master suite. Right off of the dining room and through the sliding glass door, we have your next backyard, featuring a large deck and plenty of green space and space for all of your entertaining needs.